Hey, what's up? So in this short, we're gonna be building a login form using Tailwindcss. So basically, first one we have is a div. So this div is gonna be the one to center everything. So let's do grid, place, items, center. So when we do place item center, we wanna go ahead and do a screen. All right. So this a screen is what's gonna make everything center. So basically, if you should have something like this, a lower down. Sorry, don't mind my spelling. You can see we have it at the center now. So good. So first, next one I do is have a div. So this div here is gonna make it rounded. So one rounded should medium. Then we want to shadow should medium. Then we want BG should be white. BG white. Then we want a padding of 2. So basically inside there, then we want to also have a width of 600 pixels. So like to make it, let's make it 500 pixels instead. So a width. All right, so we should save this. Basically we have that. Then at the top here we can go ahead and do something like span, then text large. So text large we can do a login. All right, so it indicates that all right, this is a login form. Then under there, want to go ahead and have a div that will host our username and password. So div, then inside that div, let's call it grid. All right, so this is a grid. Inside I want another grid also. So here we want a label for the username. All right, so for the username, next one is an input field of text. Sorry, input field of text. All right, so you should save this. Basically this is what we're going to be having on the screen. So we have an input field, but you can't see it. So the first thing that comes to mind is to add a border. So this border, after adding border, I want the border to be gray of 500, just like the background. So in the meantime, I added this gray 500 before I started the video. Right, gray 500. Then want it to be rounded MD. So once a rounded border. MD, then want padding of 2, so we want a little bit of space inside of it. Then right here we can go ahead and do space y of 2, so that will add a space between each of them. All right, good. So basically we can just copy this and paste this right here. So this is going to be for the password, right? And this is also going to be password. We just save this. So we have 2, and remember we added the grid here. So the meaning of this grid is just to space the username and password from each other a little bit. So then the last thing we need to do is add a div, and let's do button. Let's add a button. Sorry, why am I pressing N? Button. Then we can go ahead and do login. So once login, let's go ahead and add a class of rounded. So we want our button to be rounded SM. So small rounded, we want to background color of purple shade 700. Text should be white. Then px should be long like that. Then the padding horizontal should be like 1. So I should save this. And so we have this here. All right, so basically we've done this, and if we want to do something else, like you can make this flex. So once this is flex, you can either have an href here that says create account, save this, and you have that. So we can go ahead and do something like justify between. All right, so once you justify between, you can see separated between each other. Here we can make this a little bit more fun and do over underline, then over let's change the color, text blue 500. All right, I see. So we have it. All right, so we are done with the login form. Hopefully you like this tutorial. See you next time. Peace.